In business, profit is defined as the total revenue minus the total cost. So when you were looking for the profit function and you were given its revenue function and its cost function, you could find the profit by just doing R of X minus C of X. So revenue minus cost. So suppose that the revenue R from selling X cell phones is R of X equals negative 1.2x squared plus 220x. The cost C of selling X cell phones is C of X equaling 0.05x cubed minus 2x squared plus 65x plus 500. We want to find the profit function. So profit is just revenue minus cost. So our profit function, P, is going to be revenue, so negative 1.2x squared plus 220x minus C of X, which is 0.05x cubed minus 2x squared plus 65x plus 500. So nothing we can combine in each parentheses, so we can just distribute the negative across the second one. So P of X is going to equal negative 1.2x squared plus 220x minus 0.05x cubed plus 2x squared minus 65x minus 500. And so the only thing we can combine really is the negative 1.2x squared, the 2x squared, and then the 220x and the negative 65x. So keeping them in order, highest to lowest, going to have negative 0.05x cubed, and then negative 1.2 and positive 2 is going to give me positive 0.8x squared. Next, I got 220 and negative 65. That is going to give me a positive 155x. And then last is just the negative 500, so put that at the end. And so my profit function is this whole thing. And so now it's asking us to find the profit if X equals 15 cell phones sold. So wherever there's an X in our profit function, I'm going to put 15. So P of 15 is going to equal negative 0.05 times 15 cubed plus 0.8 times 15 squared plus 155 times 15 minus 500. So you can put it all into a calculator one time, but I'll go through it piece by piece. So negative 0.05 and then 15 cubed is 3,375 plus 0.8 and 15 squared is 225, and then 155 times 15 is 2,325 minus 500. So multiply the parentheses together, and first we're going to get negative 168.75, and then 0.08 or 0.8 and 225 is going to give us 180, and then combine 2325 and 500. That's going to give me 1825. Finally, I can just combine all of these at one time, and when I do, I'm going to get 1,836 and 0.25. And since we're dealing with money, I can say that the profit here is $1,836.25 when 15 cell phones are sold.